Welcome back, students. This is Aalok Guptaa again, your mathematics coach and mentor at Kkhyatis EdTech. So now today I'm bringing you yet another topic, which is normally questions come in entrance exams like CAT, GMAT, all the MBA or BTech type of programs. So the topic is mixture and alligation. So mixture and alligation, I'm going to cover around 120 uh, uh, problems spanning across maybe 12 to 13 different type of concepts in this topic. And I can guarantee my objective would be that मेरी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में इस टॉपिक के ऊपर आपके पास कोई भी सम पूछा जाएगा तो you will be able to solve that after watching my videos. Thank you so much. So let's begin mixture and alligation. So we'll cover the mixture part first. So in mixture part I will teach you the concept while I am doing the sums. In alligation I will have a separate small session for concept, but in mixture I will explain to you as and when we are doing the sum. And after I have completed solving 5 or 6 sums, I think you will get very attuned to the concept. Okay, let's begin. Ratio of milk and water is 5:7 in a mixture. If 25 liter of water is added to the mixture, then ratio becomes 5:11. Find initial quantity of milk. So what they are trying to say? There is milk and there is water. They are in the ratio 5:7. Now 25 liters of water is added. Ratio becomes 5:11. So when water is added, whatever was the original quantity of milk should remain untouched, क्योंकि पानी को छेड़ा गया है, मिल्क को कुछ छेड़ा नहीं गया है. आजकल छेड़छाड़ बहुत चल रही है, तो मिल्क को नहीं छेड़ा गया तो सेफ है, उसकी क्वांटिटी वैसी की वैसी रहनी चाहिए. सो ये मिल्क 5 था तो ये 5 है, तो अभी भी हमको यहाँ पर तो चेंज तो हुई नहीं है, विच मीन्स वी कैन डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट. 7 वाटर था, 11 हो गया. सो व्हाट वाज द क्वांटिटी दैट वाज एडेड? 4. करेक्ट. And the value of 4 is given to be 25 liters. Now, what was the initial quantity of milk is what I have been asked. So, initial quantity of milk was 5. So, I am been asked value of 5. So, it will be 5 upon 4 into 25. That is 125 upon 4. So, I can say 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So initial quantity of milk was 1.25 liters. So this is the answer. Understood? So whatever quantity has been added or removed, we have to see the remaining quantity remains the same, and we equate our ratios to that quantity. We'll do one more sum. There is a milk and water in a certain ratio in a vessel. So we have not been given the initial ratio. If we took 16 liters water out, then the ratio becomes 3:4. Obviously, when we take something out or add something, the ratio is going to change. Then 35 liters of milk is taken out. Then the ratio becomes 2:5. Find the initial quantity of water. So again, in this question, we have been given milk and water. I don't know the ratio, so I'll just put dash here. If we took 16 liters of water out, then I took 16 liters of water out. The ratio became 3:4. So now the ratio became 3:4. Then 35 liters of milk is taken out. Then I am taking out 35 liters of milk. Then the ratio becomes 2:5. Ratio becomes 2:5. Find the initial quantity of water, which means I have to find the value of this. Right? Now let us understand this scenario first. In this scenario, the quantity of milk was being taken out, which means water remains untouched. But if water remains untouched, this value and this value, the ratio should be same. But right now they are not same. So what I will do, I will multiply this by 5 and I will multiply this by 4 so that they become same. So when I multiply this by 5 and this by 4, this ratio will become 15 is to 20, and this ratio will become 8 is to 20. So these are the new ratios. Very good. Now, this 15 became 8, which means in terms of ratio, there was a reduction of 7. And this reduction of 7 ratio corresponds to how much in quantity? 35 liters. So value of 7 is 35. So value of 1 would be 5 liters. Correct? So value of 1 is 5 liters, which means this 20 corresponds to 20 into 5, 100 liters. And if this is 100 liters, it became 100 liters after from initial quantity 16 liters was removed, which means originally water should have been 116 liters. So 116 liters is the answer. Clear? So where we took our clue from to solve this sum? That in the second scenario, the water quantity was same. So I made the ratio same. And when I made the ratio same, then I got the difference of the ratio which I related to the quantity of milk removed. And hence I could find the unitary value of the ratio. Then I can find everything that I've been asked in the sum. Clear? Hello students, I hope you like this video of mixture and alligation. If you have any queries or any sums, because the sums tend to be very long, please connect to me on my YouTube channel or WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number and keep me motivated. And please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.